Okay, so we are going to go ahead and log into our Wilco ACC Gmail account. So we need to use our Wilco associated Gmail account for all things Wilco related. So I'm using a Chrome browser, so I'm going to go up to the top right where my user icon is. I'm going to go to add another account. If I have several, I just need to scroll down. So it says add new account. I'm going to put my homeschool initials followed by my ID number at wilcoacc.org. So your email is going to be your homeschool initials, Lockport's LK, Romeoville's RV, Reed Custer's RC, Plainfield. You guys are going to be P for Plainfield, and then whichever direction you are. So PE, PS, PC, Lamont, your LM, Wilmington, you are WMS, and Bolingbrook, you are BB. So you're going to put your homeschool initials with your number afterwards. Once you get that done, make sure you also have that wilcoacc.org. So at wilcoacc.org is the pivotal part for us for this. Then I'm going to hit next. It's going to ask for my password. Everybody's password right now is Wilco ACC. So that's going to be your password, and then it should take care of it and then ask you to change your password. If it doesn't, it's Wilco ACC. Alright, so again, your homeschool initials, ID numbers at wilcoacc.org. At wilcoacc.org. Click next, and then you will be all set.